the SWOT analysis, why it's helped millions and millions of businesses all over. And it's going to help you in the finance office. We're going to be able to, the goal of this is to find our strengths, know what they are, write them down, analyze them, do more of them, analyze our weakness, do the same thing. For the weaknesses, we got to analyze, what are we doing that's not strong? What are we doing that has holes in it? Do we have processes? Do we have the right cash processes? Do we have the right maximizing every deal every time? Just like what we say, every deal, every day, every line, every time. Are we doing that, or is that a weakness of ours? The opportunities, we've got to capitalize on every single one. We got to build those relationships with lenders. The threats, like, what are we doing to prevent them? How are we going to stay ahead of those threats? That's what it's going to help us write those down, and what we think are the threats and ways that we can overcome them. You might write, as you're writing them down, this is the part of the process. You're writing them down. You're like, wow, I didn't even know that. I didn't realize that. I'm going to have to do X, Y, and Z to prevent that.